Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a topic in Telegram group. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Telegram application, and you can simply go ahead and create a group right over here by simply selecting the people you want to create a group with. Now, all we need to do is simply go ahead and click on next and click on create. On your group right over here, all we need to do is simply go ahead and head into your group settings right over here and click on topics and enable topics. Now all we need to do is simply go ahead and head back right over here. And now all we need to do is click on the triple dot on the top right and click on new topic, and this is how you can simply go ahead and create a new topic. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.